In this special topic, we are going to see how we can read from a flat file using Python. The code constructs to be used are list and file handler. Great, let's proceed to the demo. This is my Python development environment. I'm using Genie IDE along with the installed Python environment on my PC. So I'm encapsulating the whole code within a try except code block. Except IO error, in this case, it's the same functionality like the try catch statement in other programming languages. So within my try code block, I'm doing the actual work, that is opening the file scene-demos python sample file.txt and storing into a list its values, each time separating the values based on the new line character. Then I print on screen that the file was successfully read. Of course, in case there is an error, then the except IO error code block takes place and prints on screen that there was an error reading the file. Last but not least, in order to double check the correctness of the program, I iterate through the elements in the vehicle list and print its values just for confirming that it has the same contents like the file. So before compiling and running the code, let's check the file to be read. So this file was created in the previous special topic where we have written the contents of a list into a text file named python sample file.txt. So this file can be found in scene-demos and this is the exact file. So let's open it to check its contents and you can see that it has 10 lines of strings with values starting with value 0, value 1 and so on up to value 9. So I'm back in our development environment where we are ready to compile and run the code. So let's compile first. So you can see that yes, a compilation finished successfully. And the last step is to, of course, execute the program. So this is the output of the program. So you can see that reading the contents from file and saving it to list was successful. And as a confirmation, the program also iterates through the elements of the list and displays its values on screen. So here you can see that we have all the contents of the file successfully stored in the list, and this is the confirmation that is printing the contents of the list. So these contents are exactly the same contents like the contents of the file. So let's exit now the program. So this was another simple example of how you can read a text file, this time using Python. You can do more sophisticated stuff, implementing more sophisticated logic, but this simple example is enough to showcase how easy it is to read a text file and store its results into a data structure, in this case a list.